OnePlus 8 Pro is coming up in next month, and today I got something cool to show you in this video about the OnePlus 8 Pro. So OnePlus 8 series is going to be next flagship series of OnePlus after OnePlus 7 series we saw last year, which is still a best smartphone. Main reason is 90Hz panel in that OnePlus 7 Pro, and gaming and camera performance in that phone is also not much bad. It is extremely good. Anyways, today I got this picture which was actually leaked and was shared on internet, and this is looking really awesome. As you guys can actually have a look at this picture, this is way much similar to the 360 renders we saw recently. And also OnePlus 8 Pro was ported in hands of famous celebrity Iron Man aka Robert Downey Jr, which was, I think, maybe doing commercial video of OnePlus 8 Pro. Now let's talk about what we can see clearly on phone in this low resolution picture. Well, at first sight, this is all screen with no bezel, and I think it is 6.65 inches AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate, because there is no sense for ditching higher refresh rate in OnePlus 8 Pro, because this is going to be a 2020 flagship, so every flagship nowadays is having higher refresh rate panels. Other than that, we can see that little punch hole at the top left of this phone. This is now also confirmed from this picture that OnePlus 8 Pro will have punch hole camera module and no pop-up camera mechanism will be there. I think OnePlus must have gone through pop-up style mechanism to make display even larger. I mean, it's large enough, but with pop-up camera you can actually have a really interesting view of this display. And this selfie camera is expected to have a 16 megapixel resolution, as you can see here in this specs sheet, and this phone is absolutely looking amazing from front side. I mean, look at the display, all curved display and large enough. It is just mind-blowing. The lower bezel is just a bit thicker than the top one. Other than that, everything is just crazy. And now have a look at this image. It's rear side of phone, and it's super clear that it will have triple camera setup with one TOF sensor. And this camera setup is actually same as of OnePlus 7 Pro. Talking about these three vertically aligned sensors, then one of them is going to be a 64 megapixel sensor, which will be a primary lens. 16 megapixel telephoto lens will also be there, and the last one will be 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. And at the left side of sensors, there is an hole at upper side which is most likely to be a TOF sensor, and below that there is a line. I don't know what is that. What is OnePlus adding new to their phone? I have no idea about it, but it looks really interesting. And then here is a single LED flashlight, and below that we have OnePlus official logo. And expected battery size of this OnePlus 8 Pro is 4500 milliamps, which is a bit smaller because we are getting better batteries of almost 5000 milliamps in lower prices. And it is rumored that OnePlus will be keeping their OnePlus 8 series under $1000 price tag. That is actually amazing. That's something OnePlus must improve. And expected charging speed is 65 watts, and OnePlus may be providing us with fast charging adapter into the box. And that's all for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Hit that subscribe button for more tech news and tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.